All right. Chapter 3 is all about inequalities. First section is a quick review on how to graph them and how to write them. We've done this now several times, so I'm not going to spend too much time. Graph each inequality, and I'm just showing you everything based on x is with some relationship to the number 3. So on every number line, you have to put 0, and you have to put the number that we're interested in. For all 5 of these, is going to be 3. Strictly greater than means an empty circle above 3 and an arrow to the right. That's probably not going to be that visible. No, that's fine. Less than 3. Strictly less than 3 means an empty circle above 3 and an arrow to the left. Greater than or equal to 3 means a filled-in circle above 3 and an arrow to the right. Less than or equal to 3 means a filled-in circle above 3 and an arrow to the left. And this one is new. Not equal to 3 means an empty circle above 3 and arrows both ways. And yes, that can be a thing. So I went through that quickly. Let me just simply remind you, if an inequality does not have the or equal to bar on it, the circle is empty. It's just a circle over the number. If it is an or equal to, you fill that circle in. Less than inequalities get arrows to the left. Greater than inequalities get arrows to the right. And the new one is not equal to. These work best when the variable is on the left side of your inequality. If it isn't, remember, you are allowed to just flip the whole thing around, including the inequality symbol. Okay, that is a thing you are allowed to do. State the inequality shown by each number line. So I can show you a number line and say, hey, tell me what it says. So here we are going to the right of -2. -2 is included because that circle is filled in. So x is greater than or equal to -2. Greater than because of the arrow to the right. Equal to or equal to because it's solid. The next guy, arrow is to the left, so it's going to be a less than. That circle is not filled in, which means 2 is not included. This is x is less than 2. When you're writing inequalities, you'll want to put the variable on the left. Don't get fancy. And a quick word problem. The members of a lightweight crew can weigh no more than 165 pounds. Write an inequality that describes this and graph it. The key phrase here is no more than. No more than means you can weigh up to 165 pounds. You just can't weigh 165.1 pounds. So the weight must be less than, but it can be equal to 165. No more than means you can be, you just can't be more than it. So there's our inequality. Graph that inequality. So we'll put a number line, we'll put 0 and this time 165 on it. We will put a solid dot, and an arrow to the left. Now, technically speaking, we could stop that at 0 because you can't weigh less than nothing, but that's a discussion for much later in this chapter.